And on the track now is the first heat of boys 800-meter run. Heats are going fastest to slowest today. And there they go. And in this heat right here, we have Lamaj Curry from Chester, Jacob Tyndale from Roncocas Valley, Chase Rivera from Balls High School in Florida, Nick Gabrielli from Kiski area, Camille Jihad from St. John Newmans, Clayton Santiago from Bethpage, William Cuthbertson from Susan Wagner, Danny Ryan from Ward Melville, Logan Yoquinto from Bishop Shanahan, Derrick Simmons from Poly Prep, Dan Boyle from LaSalle, and Colin Hall from West Morris.
And Tom was just saying 55 for the first 400. I don't think they're going to keep that.
Bell lap coming through at 600 meters at looks like 124. And Derrick Simmons from Poly Prep wins the first heat.